day viewers, I am Renz Adrian M. Dasalia, bsit M51, Access Computer College, Camarin Branch. This is video that will show you the proper way of assembly and disassembly of a system unit. Also, this video will identify its parts and functions as a compliance to the subject PC troubleshooting to be submitted to Mr. Jeff Calma. Motherboard. A motherboard, it holds many of the crucial electronic components of the system such as the central processing unit and memory, and provides connectors for other peripherals. Unlike a backplane, a motherboard contains significant subsystems such as the processor and other components. Microprocessor. A microprocessor incorporates the functions of a computer's central processing unit on a single integrated circuit, or at most a few integrated circuits. IDE cables. The IDE cable connects CD drives and hard drives to the motherboard. They transfer data and commands between the devices but not power. Power supply. A power supply is an electronic device that supplies electric energy to an electric load. The primary function of a power supply is to convert one form of electrical energy to another, and as a result, power supplies are sometimes referred to as electric power converters. Video card. A video card is an expansion card which generates a feed of output images to a display. Within the industry, video cards are sometimes called graphics add-in boards, abbreviated as AIBs, with the word graphics usually omitted. Random access memory. A random access memory device allows data items to be read and written in roughly the same amount of time regardless of the order in which data items are accessed. Hard disk drive. A hard disk drive is a data storage device used for storing and retrieving digital information on using rapidly rotating disk coated with magnetic material. DVD-ROM. DVD-ROM is a read-only digital disc commonly used for store large software application. It is similar to a compact disc read-only memory but has larger capacity. Keyboard. A keyboard is a typewriter-style device which uses an arrangement of buttons or keys to act as mechanical levers or electronic switches. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device that detects two-dimensional motion relative to a surface. This motion is typically translated into the motion of a pointer on a display, which allows for fine control of a graphical user interface. Now I will show you how to assemble system unit. show you how to disassemble the system unit.